for a really cool e-bike. It's my new Hovsco e-bike. It's a real deal. Put your knees right there. I'm in SF, a little cold, by the Golden Gate Bridge. I got my Hovsco bike, and this is my first time really riding it. Got it fully charged. Checking everything out. It looks good. Rides great. This thing's got the fat tires. My homie hooked this up, and yeah, I think this is the one.
As I combine all the juice from the mind, heal up, wheel up, bring it back, come rewind.
Just picked up my new e-bike, and I got the rack. I got Brohim with me, right here at Home Depot. We're gonna set it up right here because in case we need some supplies or some tools, we're right here with it. We gotta pull these guys out. This thing is heavy. Oh. I guess it doesn't matter. Unpack the e-bike. Open the box, take the front wheel out, remove the e-bike from the box with another person's assistance who is capable of lifting heavy objects safely. Look at all these pieces. Look at all this. Dust cover washer, aluminum top cover, bowl set washer, another top cover, dust cover, washer, plastic down tube frame, front. Okay. All right, so now that goes up. Okay, so there's a plastic piece, top cover, that's the big piece. I think these go straight on it. They go. Oh, no. Okay, my bad. Hold on. We're gonna do it like this. Oh, do we take these things off? No, this will have to go in here. I'm just gonna sit here and just grind this out. There we go. There we go. Ah. And then like, in this case, something like this. Yeah, okay. I think that is it. Alright, on the washer that got lost. Like, look, even those washers are not gonna do nothing.
You wanna take it to the guy?
Where's he at?
Mile away.
Yeah. Call him and ask if he can do that like right now. And then what we can do is we can install that piece. Hopefully that's not as hard. Okay, I'm on my way. I'm like maybe like 10 minutes away.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. Bye bye. We're going.
You have the address?
Yep. Mark's Bike Shop. We couldn't figure it out. So the e-bike was a little complicated. We decided to go to Brooklyn's Pizza. and send a bike to the bike shop. Let them handle it.
Eat off our frustration. That was great. It'll be a couple hours.
So in the meantime, and then we're gonna try to install a hitch rack.
That should be a lot easier.
Gravent les images de souvenirs lointains, beauté de paysage enflamme mon destin. Les airs d'autrefois déclinaient les saisons, aux innombrables voix ont écrit ma chanson.
Good looking out, Church.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Thank you. Alright, this is it right here. Look at this crazy sky we got. Hey, how's it going?
What you got there?
It's from a YouTube channel.
Okay, what YouTube channel you have?
Yeah, called Cosmic Life Force.
Okay.
Yeah, so you'll be on it.
All right. Well, hi, folks.
Mark's Bike Shop.
Yes.
taking care of the bike because I couldn't figure it out.
Yep, there's a lot of bits and pieces and parts and stuff, but we got you together. It took us about over 3 hours to get it done, but we got you done. And it
Nice.
looks good.
It looks cool, yeah.
Everything, yep. This is the one I was talking to you about the rear rack.
Gotcha.
So we had, in order to do the other basket, we got to remove this top here.
Gotcha.
And then we can bolt the other one onto
Uh-huh.
it if you want to go down that road. Controls here, I had to move the bar over. I had to remove all this. I had to tighten the faceplate. You had it crooked on there. So I redid that, redid all the controls, went through, tightened everything up, adjusted both brakes. You're in good
Okay.
shape right now. I didn't have a lot of time for charging.
Okay,
It's
that's fine.
charging now,
That's fine.
but it needs probably some more charge time.
Yeah.
And it looks like you have to set up your phone to the app to set this up.
Gotcha,
Yep, just
yeah.
go over the directions and,
Okay.
and check on that.
Uh-huh.
I usually like to turn it on, take it for a long ride, and then come back to burn in the
Right.
brakes or to have the brakes get they call it embedded.
Uh-huh.
And you're embedding the pad. So what I want you to do when you get it all together is I want you to take 20 slow stops.
Gotcha.
Okay,
Okay. Uh-huh.
not hammer on the brakes
Yeah,
right
yeah.
away, because then what happens with these e-bikes is you get glazing, and when you get glazing on the brake pads, they start to squeal. But we took
Gotcha.
it around without the battery because it would turn on without the app, and I don't think the battery is fully charged.
Right,
So
right.
give it a little more time when you get home to charge it. But I started charging it for you. When you go out, I just want you to take some slow stops. And
Gotcha. Okay.
Then
Will do.
about 20 slow stops, and the brakes will start to break in, and that way you don't overheat them and cause glazing to the brake pads. It's just like break-in period. The seat post here, just by pulling back on this lever, as you know,
Okay.
will go
That'll
up and
adjust it.
down, and
Yeah.
it'll adjust to whatever height you want. We went through and we adjusted the brakes. We adjusted everything. Yeah, it's a cool
Right.
bike. It's a nice bike, and I think you're gonna have a lot of fun on it.
All right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Cool. Thank you.
So I
Thank you.
appreciate your business, and I
Man.
appreciate you coming in here. And if
For
you have any
sure.
problems, you come back. We guarantee our work. Okay.
Okay.
I want you to
No, that's
test
cool.
it. You're local to this
Yeah.
area, then?
I am local. I'm gonna take. I got an RV, and that's my part of my channel. I do the van life thing.
Okay. Oh, cool.
So I'm going up to Oregon, and then I'll be back in a few weeks.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
Appreciate it.
All right. Thank you too.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate
Thank
you
you.
for coming in.
Yeah,
man. I really
absolutely,
do.
man.
And that's Joe.
All right. All right. Thanks, Joe.
Fun bike, huh?
Well, it's fairly new, but yeah.
That's pretty good. I was looking
No,
on the
that's
on the website because I was just trying to see what they were just advertising. They're pretty cool.
My friend recommended this, and
Okay.
so I got it because I do my channel. I got the van life thing, so I need to like just put a lot of stuff. But this I kind of like use as a basket too. So
Yeah.
I could just strap some stuff down. And again, thank you.
Thank you for
Yeah,
business, sir.
for sure.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you. I'll see you soon. Here, Lori. Have a good night. There it is there. It's a little dark, but I got my bike and my bike rack up. I just got my Hovsco's bike. Took me a minute to put it together. Well, shout out to Mark from the bicycle shop. He actually ended up putting it together because I couldn't figure it out, and I had to get up here to the bay. So we unboxed it, got it put together, and this thing rolled with me up to the bay. We're here right now by the Golden Gate Bridge. It's a little cold, but I went for a little bike ride. Again, really love this. These trails are extremely rocky. They got big rocks. It's not the best for biking, but it was really fun. It's awesome. It's really the first time I rode on like just all gravel and dirt road. It handles pretty well. Yeah, this thing has been pretty awesome. It's pretty big and it's pretty heavy duty. It's got the big fat tires. Kind of beat this up already a little bit, but not really. There we go. That little headlight. I'm stoked. This thing has been great. Although I haven't really cruised too much in this. It's brand new. Like, I haven't rode it. I literally took it up the whole West Coast. I still only got like 0.4 miles on this thing. So I rode it a couple times in Oregon, but it was so cold. It just wasn't really fun. And even when I was up in San Francisco and the weather wasn't that great. It's got 4 different levels where it's assisting. Right now it's on the 1, so I can move it to 2, 3, and 4, and that's the different levels of how much power in the pedal assist. The throttle is really fast. If you push on the throttle, like, brakes work well. And that was on a 2. So when I push this down, this thing whips a little bit. I know some people like the folding ones, which I kind of like too, but you see how dirty this gets? So I really don't even want to put anything this dirty inside the van, and that's why I got the bike rack. It's a bigger e-bike than the normal ones, but I feel like this doubles as a moped. So when I'm parked out somewhere, I can just run to the grocery store real quick and get some groceries. Instead of driving my van, I can just take this. I really like the rack, the little basket on the front. I like to travel with my gear, so I got stuff I can put in the front. Got the big rack in the back so I can cruise town and have my stuff. And I had my little niece in here when I was up in San Francisco. That was pretty cool. Gave her a cool little ride. And we were zipping around by the Golden Gate Bridge. The battery is great. It lasts about like a half an hour of driving, but that's without pedaling. So if you just pedal and use a throttle, I think it'll last a lot longer. I want to thank my guy for hooking me up with the bike, and the guys at Hovsco. It's not a paid sponsorship. After talking to the company, they saw my YouTube channel. They're offering me a discount code. So I'll put all the link and all the information in the description. They do make other versions. This is just the one that I like. The only problem I had with this is it came in a big box. So I thought I was gonna be able to put this thing together in like 30 minutes, and it definitely wasn't 30 minutes. And even at Mark, they took about 2 hours to put it together. So that's the only drawback about this. It wasn't that easy to put together, but I don't think any e-bike would be. You know, it's my first time owning an e-bike. I wasn't really familiar with all the different wires and how it connected and all these things, and I didn't have the time. We was hungry, and there was a bike shop 5 minutes away. So that was the best solution. Overall, I'm pretty stoked about it. It's actually really cool to just have the whole road to myself mostly. My new Hovsco e-bike. I'm about to go for a ride right now.
Music by Anthony Marquez.